According to CNET, YouTube is in talks with Sony Pictures to acquire licensing rights to some of Sony's full-length content. Not much is known about the specifics of the deal, as reps from both sides declined to comment, but the deal likely stems from YouTube's need to increase its revenue stream, as well as Sony's desire to promote its own streaming site, Crackle. While YouTube has the market virtually cornered on streaming user-generated content, it trails sites like Hulu and licensed long-form content such as movies and television shows. A new discovery in the medical world may lead to safer and more predictable organ transplants. When the new tissue is introduced into a body during an organ transplant, the body's immune system releases killer T cells to destroy the unknown tissue. In the past, transplant patients were required to take immune-suppressing drugs, which, while preventing the body from destroying the transplanted tissue, brings the patient's immune system to a near crawl, greatly increasing the risk of infection and other complications. Now, scientists from Australia have developed a technique to calm the body's release of killer T cells without locking it out entirely. The process works by introducing additional T regulatory cells, which are responsible for halting the killer T cells after they've removed an infection. The process is still very experimental, but early testing shows promise, which could lead to what some sources are calling the medical breakthrough of the decade. Apple is being sued over its touchscreen technology that is present in many of its devices. Elan Microelectronics has filed a new suit against the giant, claiming infringement on two of Elan's patents. Some analysts say Apple could be in trouble, as Elan recently won another suit for one of the same patents that is named in the Apple suit. That's the news. I'm Kyle Bloyd, and now you know.